Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can check whether your mobile is MHL supported or not. So the check is really easy. What you need to do is just go to your Play Store and search for MHL checker. And the first result here is MHL checker, which is the most popular one also, but you can choose any other app from here. I'm going to choose this one which says MHL checker check HDMI, and then I'm going to install this app. And now once the app is installed, I'm going to just open this app here, and then it's going to show you this kind of window. I'm going to skip everything, and then I'm going to just click on the check option. So just click on the check button here, and you will be able to see the result here. And in my case, my device doesn't support MHL connection. You can see this device doesn't support MHL connection. But if the Android phone or any other phone supports MHL connection, then it will be displayed in the results here. So this is how you can check whether your phone supports MHL or not. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.